Alright everyone, here the new video about new project. It's about the project. It's like a new video come with new project. It's interesting. Now we come about new project. It stock trend prediction. Wow, look like interesting, It's definitely interesting project. So first of all, we show about our project demo, then we go into the try in code. So first of all, this is our simple website about predict or train, analyze, also machine learning prediction about stock price. First of all, how can we predict this? First of all, we need to which company we want to analyze. First we need to token. How can we find token? Let's go Yahoo Finance, and if we search Google, you see this is the Google token is Go, GOOG, good. So we search this good. Now we analyze stock. We search it, and you can see this is the dark mode, and also I love this dark mode definitely. And if you want to any other, you can go Apple. So this is the AAAPL Apple. So here the prediction. You can see, first of all we make it dark. Okay, perfect. Then you can see about start is 2204. Maybe I made my mistake. I can search it when it start and in a stock market. Here this, and this is the graph. You can check it, and then close price. Okay, prediction. This is our model prediction and original. This is the green is the original and red prediction price, and it's try to predict, but you can see this. We use neural network, and this is our data set. Like it start when this company and data set. Maybe once again I can make sure it this data set. Yeah, sure. Okay, you can also download this data set for your work and analyze. It's helpful for your project. This is simple demo. I feel if you use this and create it, you can make it more better and more prediction better way. I just try to improve it in future. I make it more better and I show you more better way. So this is the project code. I already upload my GitHub repository. Here's some demo. Here's this project. I will show you. This is the project. Sorry. We use HTML template. We use this is the data set we use, but I want to show you in deep, and I want to analyze this notebook. So if I show you this notebook, you understand this input is better way. So first of all, I using virtual environment, so ignore this. So stock price prediction, we input this library we need, and here the most important library is Pandas data reader. We need to improve this, and this is the input library. You can check. And how can we dataset find? We need to improve this is the Yahoo Finance dataset API. Like you can import, or you first need to pip install, then input it, and date time you need to also input it. Then stock, you need to stock name, like we know Google, we write is go. I show it 1 second. This if I go okay, we need to write this and it's analyze. So this is the token name, and here the start time, here the end time, here the dataset download, and is the preview. You can see this, and then we try to analyze this data. ADA, exploring data analyze. So we see first data, information, shape is null, nothing, describe like max, mean. This is, you can analyze saving the loading data. First we need to load this data set because of some index, it's not good. So we then we load this. First we save the data as CS file, then we load this data as Panda data frame. Then this is database overview. We need to remove this first row, and we did it, but it's not showing. Okay, fine. This is the graph, but it's not show because of it's not running, but you can show this. And also this graph, I feel if you are working with that, you need to understand about this more. You come my GitHub and you analyze this. There's visualization moving average. So this is, you can see this, and is that 20 day, maybe 200 day, sorry. Here the training and testing preparation. This is the Scikit-learn library. Most of this project I work in Google Colab, so you can use this because of library. If you don't want to install in your own company, your own machine, like your computer, so you can use Google Colab. So Keras, we use this neural network, and here this trainings, and this is the prediction line. You can improve the data more better, I feel. And sorry for if I make any mistake in English, because I'm not good in speaking English. So if I make any mistake, don't take it serious. You can understand. I hope you can make this project more better and make it more interesting. I believe in you, so try to understand and check it. And thank you. I hope I need to end this video, so I will end it, but I want to show you something. This is the no problem. I need to end it. Okay, fine, goodbye.